Alright everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing that connects two seemingly unrelated parts of you, your gut and your mood. You've probably heard the phrase, gut feeling, but what if your gut literally had a say in how you feel, even your mood? It sounds wild, but science is increasingly showing that the tiny world of microbes living inside your gut might actually influence your emotions and even your mental well-being. So, remember our discussions about the microbiome? That vast, bustling community of trillions of tiny bacteria and other microorganisms living in your intestines? For a long time, we thought their main job was just about digesting food. And while they are brilliant at that, it turns out they're doing a whole lot more, including communicating with your brain. This connection is often called the gut-brain axis. How does this work? Well, it's not like the microbes are sending little text messages to your brain. Instead, they communicate in a few fascinating ways. One major way is by producing various chemicals and compounds. Some of these compounds are actually neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers your brain uses to regulate mood, sleep, and many other functions. For example, a huge portion of your body's serotonin, often called the feel-good chemical, is actually made in your gut, and gut microbes play a role in its production and availability. So, if your gut microbes are unhappy, it could potentially affect your serotonin levels. Another way they communicate is through the vagus nerve. This is like a superhighway that runs directly from your brainstem down to your gut, carrying signals in both directions. Your gut microbes can send signals up this nerve to your brain, influencing things like stress responses and anxiety. It's a two-way street, so stress from your brain can also affect your gut, which is why you might feel butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous. Your gut microbes also influence your immune system. A healthy gut microbiome helps regulate your immune responses. If the balance of microbes in your gut is off, it can sometimes lead to inflammation, and chronic inflammation has been linked to mood disorders. So, while it's a complex area and scientists are still learning all the details, the evidence is growing that the health and balance of your gut microbiome can indeed have a significant impact on your mood, anxiety levels, and even your risk for certain mental health conditions. It's a powerful reminder that taking care of your gut with a balanced diet, rich in fiber and diverse foods, isn't just good for digestion. It might be good for your head and heart too. Pretty incredible to think that these tiny creatures could have such a big influence, isn't it?